Hello everyone and welcome for this first French lesson. In this lesson we will see the greetings, how to introduce yourself and ask someone to introduce, ask the origin and ask for the time and the age. Unfortunately, we have to study some grammar points, but don't panic, it's super easy. Ready? So let's begin. First of all, the greetings, les salutations. There are several ways to greet each other in French. First of all, you can say bonjour. It's like hello or good morning. There is also salut, but it's informal. You can say bonsoir, it's good evening, and bonne nuit, it's good night. When a person introduces herself, the interlocutor can respond enchanté ou ravi. It's like nice to meet you in English. And when you leave, you can say au revoir. It's like see you. Now we can see a grammar point. When you introduce yourself, you use the verb s'appeler. Je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il, elle s'appelle, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il ou elle s'appelle. There is no traduction in English, but it's the equivalent of my name is, your name is, his or her name is, our name is, your name is, and their name is. There is also être, it's the verb to be in English. Je suis, tu es, il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. And avoir, it's to have in English. J'ai, tu as, il ou elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Now, to introduce yourself, there is two ways. First of all, the informal way. It's salut, je m'appelle Sarah, et toi? Salut, je m'appelle John, enchanté, moi de même. And there is the formal way. Bonjour, Monsieur Martin. Bonjour, voici Monsieur Arnaud. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. The difference between the formal and the informal way is very important in French. To use the informal, you use the second person of the singular, and to use the formal way, you use the second person of plural. You can use the informal way when you speak to a friend or someone that you know, and you use the formal way when you speak with a stranger or a professor, for example. And that's logical. In French, you cannot tell your boss, hey, what's up, bro, give me 5. Now, the second grammar point. Don't worry, it's the same in English. When you want to indicate the origin, you use the verb venir. It's like to come from in English. Je viens, tu viens, il ou elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils ou elles viennent. For example, to say I come from France, it's je viens de France. We come from the United States, nous venons des États-Unis. You come from Paris, tu viens de Paris. We also use the verb être with the nationality adjective, like in English. For example, to say I am American, it's je suis américain. You are French, tu es français. We are Canadian, nous sommes canadiens. Moreover, to ask for someone's origin, you use the verb venir and the interrogative adverb où. It's the same in English. In the informal way, it's d'où viens-tu? You can respond je viens de Paris ou je suis parisien. The formal way, d'où venez-vous? Je viens de Paris ou je suis parisien. In English, where are you from? I'm from Paris, I'm Parisian. There are also several interrogative adverbs in French, like qui, it's who in English, quand, it's when, quoi ou que, it's what, quel ou quelle, it's which. but we will see that later. Now, a little exercise. Listen to this dialogue and answer the question. Bonjour, je m'appelle Sarah, et toi? Bonjour, je m'appelle John, enchanté. Enchanté. Tu viens d'où? Je viens d'Italie, et toi? Moi je viens des États-Unis. Où aux États-Unis? Je suis new-yorkais. The second dialogue. Tu es anglais? Non, je suis américain. Je viens de New York. In your opinion, this dialogue is informal or formal, and why? You can click on pause. Did you find the answer? It's an informal dialogue because the verb and the personal pronoun are in the second person of singular. Try now to transform this dialogue into formal way. Here are the answers. We just put the personal pronoun and the verb at the second person of plural instead of second person of singular. To ask for the age, we use the adverb quel followed by the verb avoir. We say quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 15 ans. In English, we say I am 15 or we are 21. Be careful, in English, we use the verb to be. In French, we use the verb to have. You cannot say in French, je suis 15 ans. You will say, I have 15 or I have 21. To ask for the time, we use the adverb quel. It's the feminine of quel, followed by the verb être, to be. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 5 heures. Il est 3h30. Let's do a little exercise. First of all, transform this sentence from the informal to the formal way. Je suis français et toi? Tu viens d'où? Tu as quel âge? Tu es de New York? Nous sommes américains et toi? Then, translate in French. I am 12 years old. She is 14 years old. It's 7 p.m. We come from England. Where are you from? Did it? Here's the answer. In the first exercise, for all the sentence, we just replace the second person of singular by the second person of plural. You have to learn the verb être, to be, avoir, to have, venir, to come from. For the second exercise, there is a trick. To ask for the age in French, we saw that we use the verb to have and not to be. We say j'ai 12 ans and not je suis 12 ans. If you have some question, post it on the comments and I will try to answer. Je vous dis à bientôt pour une prochaine vidéo.